I want to do some attractive formatting for my heading. Can you show me?
Yes, we can do. I will show you in the PowerPoint. In the PowerPoint, you have to go in the insert, then in the picture. Here you can take from this device or from stock image. I will take from stock image. Here take what picture you want. So I want this. So I am taking that. Then do insert. So that picture will get insert. Then adjust the picture. Go again to insert. Then shapes. Take the shape. Insert the shape, change the shape color, insert again, then word art, take the word art what you want, type the text, then go to home tab, increase the font size, put the font style, go to shape format, select the text, then press Ctrl K and select the shape. After that, merge shapes, then combine. So you can see the text will be filled with the background picture.